Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Katelyn from Florals.com, and today we have a new type of video. Really, it's just one that I haven't done in a long time on this channel, and that's a haul video. And I really want to focus in 2021 on supporting small businesses. So whenever I have something that I like or that I love or that I want to share, I want to make sure that, you know, these small businesses are getting the attention they deserve, especially the ones in the crafty community, because they are really the backbone of so many new trends and styles that come out. And I think we just need to focus on, you know, supporting them the best we can, whether that is purchasing, or if you can't purchase, to share their stuff, to be on their design teams, and, you know, just interact on their social media and all of that. But today I'm excited to share what came in this little package. I will say I was very excited with how fast this got to me, because I was like, oh, small business, give them some leeway. But this showed up really quickly, all the way from California. And as you guys know from the title, this is from a new company called Social Paper Plan that I had not heard of until I saw Christina over at Redefined Creative. Definitely follow her if you're not already. Post about it over on Facebook. I saw what she posted. I clicked as fast as I could to start looking through their products. I scrolled, I debated, and then I finally picked out what I wanted. So just a couple things. And I thought it'd be also a good time to start chatting with you guys about purchasing. As you guys know, many of you went through the entire process and series with me of purging my entire scrapbooking stuff and going through all of it and really just understanding what I had. And I thought that, you know, now that I am getting back into the season of scrapbooking and of using my supplies, the season of buying is also slowly creeping up behind it. I'm not somebody who always buys the latest collections. I never have been. I don't think I ever will be. I'm not a collection person who buys like all the things that go together. I'm just a here and there kind of person. But I thought it'd be interesting to sort of talk about why I felt compelled to buy stuff, how come it took me so long to want to buy things. Really, it's just about my mindset right now is not necessarily about buying more things, but trying to get back into the creative art itself. So that's what I'm trying to focus on. And there are so many great deals going on right now. And you can definitely follow some of your favorite small businesses over on social media, and you'll be up to date with their deals. I've seen some on Instagram, some on Facebook, and some all over YouTube. So make sure you're keeping tabs on your favorite places so that you can support them. If they're doing those spring cleaning sales, it's a great way to get some more stuff than you normally be able to, but also support them by sharing their sales and sharing their coupon codes and whatever it may be. Now, Social Paper Plan, again, like I said, was posted by Christina, because they have Disney themed stuff. And if you guys know me, I have a ton of Disney projects in the works, several albums I need to work on. I now live in Florida, of course, so eventually I will be back to Disney World once everything is settled down with the pandemic a bit, and I will be sure to buy an annual pass once again. But until then, I have plenty of other years to scrapbook, and something that I do not have at all, as you guys might know from when we went through my stamps together, I don't have any Disney themed stamps. I do have like not necessarily amusement park themed stamps, but I do have like vacation stamps and tropical stamps and things along those lines, but nothing super Disney themed. So I thought this was the perfect opportunity to dive into a new brand that I haven't worked with before, haven't seen any of their products in person before, as well as dive back into my obsession with Disney. So now to the actual haul part. This is the cute little glassine package it came in. If you guys don't know, a lot of people use glassines for their actual scrapbooking pages. And it came with this cute little sticker, which I believe is from one of their sets. Now, they do sell a lot of things besides just stamp sets. So if you're not a stamper, don't worry. They have stickers and die cut packs, things like that. So let's just jump right in. Okay, now I haven't seen them yet, you guys. I'm going to be so excited. So here's the little pack of items I got. So 2 small stamp sets and then a sort of like cutout pack. So let's open this one. This one I'm most excited for, I think. So they come in these cute little envelopes with a little how to use. So peel, stick, ink, and stamp. And also make sure you follow them on social media. I'm going to definitely have to follow them so I can see all of their great design teamwork and what they do with their products, because they have some really great unique stuff. If you're into like or if you're trying to document, you know, last year and, you know, you going out to vote, they had voting things, they had a lot of great things. So here's this little glassine envelope. Again, you can save this and use it. But here is the first stamp set. They're not labeled with their names, but I will have the website linked down below for you guys. I am so excited for all of these. Even small stamps like these ones in the bottom right, I find so fun to have and use. If you guys don't know, this is what the sort of the annual pass looks like. We have some Disney merch, the hat, Just little Mickey ice cream bars, which who doesn't love those? A little birthday. This is like what the celebration pins look like, the balloons, and then of course ears. Are you kidding me? Now this is a small stamp set, but I will say I think just based off of how many designs are on here, it's actually pretty good. And just, you know, now I'm just touching the polymer itself just to see. Feels like good quality. I haven't stamped it obviously, but again, came from good words from multiple people I saw on Christina's post who placed orders and were loving their products. So I'm excited to try these ones out. And then the next one is the park icons for Florida. Now they do have Disneyland and Disney World things, so if you're over on the West Coast, no need to fret. They have some great stuff over there. And be sure to head over there sooner rather than later, because I am sure they will sell out, because Christina's been posting about it and so have others. So these are the park icons. And if you guys know Disney World, you'll know what some of these are. So we have the Tower of Terror here, the floating, what are they called? The floating rocks of Pandora. I think they're just called rocks. We have the old Sorcerer Mickey hat that used to be in Hollywood Studios. I have tons of pictures of that. Space Mountain, Small World, the Tree of Life up here. And then this is Everest, and you can tell because there's mountains and then the track in between another set. And that's exactly how Everest is set up. So you have 2 from Animal Kingdom, 2 from Magic, well, I guess 3 from Animal Kingdom, 2 from Magic, and then 2 from Hollywood Studios. Now, for me, they do have some other stamps, again, that will relate to Epcot, but Epcot's not really my jam. I do go to Epcot, but it's not my favorite, and Tower of Terror is one of my favorite rides. I loved the Sorcerer Mickey hat when it was in Hollywood Studios, but, you know, it still works for the Fantasia show and all of that, so I'm just super excited. Everest is also one of my favorites, and so is Space Mountain. So it just works, and I'm super duper excited to use it. I think these have very much, well, actually both of these sets have very much Traveler's Notebook vibes, but I'm excited to try to use them in like little ways on some 12 by 12 pages. So if you're excited to see that, let me know in the comments down below. But moving away from Disney, I decided to pick up one of their ephemera sets. Now, I wasn't really sure what to expect. I really didn't look too much because I was just trying to get stuff before anything sold out. And it looks like they have a little postcard in the back here. You have really good taste, which is really funny. And they said, thank you for your order. And again, tagging them on social media is a great way to support. So check them out on Facebook and on Instagram, as well as of course, their website, so you guys can make a purchase. But this will probably go up on one of my bulletin boards because it's really cute. But back to the ephemera pack, I wanted to get this one. This one's sort of about grief and loss, and I obviously have a lot that I could still scrapbook about that. So there's a lot of small pieces, so I'm going to try to be careful. And you guys might know that I love smaller ephemera bits because I like to layer. So again, these give me Traveler's Notebook vibes. I'm going to leave some of these smaller ones in there because there are duplicates. But if we go through here, I'll show you some of them because they are just so cute. And I love when they put multiple pieces in a pack that are just different sizes or different colors. So if we look at some here in my hand, really high quality. I'm actually pretty surprised at that thickness. You can kind of hear it there, that it's going to be well worth and hold up over time because it's a nice thick cardstock. This one says, "Oh, the feelings," lots of dainty bits to sort of work through this process. And you don't necessarily have to document this for, you know, your normal scrapbooks. This could just be used in a journal, or if you're doing the memory planner sort of setup, you can do those. So there's tons of phrase pieces here. We got some title pieces, and we've got these round ones and these little hands that are holding pieces, clovers. There's just a lot here, and I like that there's a mix of skin tones, and there's a mix of florals and non-florals, and of course, lots of little raindrops or tears, however you want to use them. Lots and lots and lots of pieces here, which again, I really like small ephemera. If that's not your thing, then just make sure you read the description on which ones you're interested in. And like I said, they do a ton of Disney themed things, but they have other things like voting. This one's a grief pack. So really it's just about what you're looking for and what you're interested in. But I am so excited to try out these stamps and these ephemera packs on my projects. And I'd love to know what you guys think, or if you've checked them out before, what you recommend. I'm sure a lot of people in the comments would appreciate that too. But I will be sure to have this company link down below. Again, Social Paper Plan, which is a great title for a company, of course, because it covers all of the good things that we love about paper and planning and socialing those stories into books that we can share. But If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And again, check out the links down below to Social Paper Plan and their social media so you guys can check out the Disney stuff if you're into that, or the other stuff, because they do have a wide variety of cute things, and I'm sure their selection will just grow over time, and we'd love to continue to support our favorite small businesses. And if you have any small businesses you think I should check out sometime soon, you can also leave those in the comments down below, whether it's yours or someone else's. I always love looking for new recommendations of what to buy for myself or what to buy for my crafty friends. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!